In this video I will show you to use heading and paragraph element in ClickFunnels. Now let me edit this page. Then on this page scroll down. Here I want to add a new section. This one should be white. Now let me remove this one extra section from here. Delete it. Then click on this one, add new row. Here we can add 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns row. Click here. Now add a new element. Then search for headline. Now you can double click and change any of the text. For example, hello, enable website design. On the top here you can see different typography options. You can make it bold, then you can make it italic, then underline. Here you can add this one, this line. Then you can align the text center, left, right. Then you can link it to any page. Here you can change the link color. Now click on element settings. Here you can add the top margin. So this is the gap from the top. Then you can change the font family. Then you can increase and decrease the font size. Then you can manage the mobile font size. So currently this one is 34 pixel. Here you can select this option, scroll down. Now click here, element settings. Then here you can see this one, mobile font size. You can decrease it. Now let's go back to the all devices. You can also select this one, desktop only. Now scroll down. Here you can change the text color, bold color, background color, icon color, then border color. Then scroll down. Here you can change the fonts. Now if you want to make this element hidden, then you can use this one, I button. Then click here, advanced. Here you can add the line height. Then you can transform the text into uppercase, lowercase. Then you can add the letter spacing. Here you can add the text shadow. Then scroll down. You can add the padding top and bottom. Then click on settings. Here you can get the CSS info. Here you can add the content ID, content class to add the custom CSS. Just you can copy it. And then on the top here you can see this one, typography, custom CSS. You can add the code here. To add the paragraph element, you can click here, then click on the paragraph. Scroll down, select the text. You can align it. You can make it italic, underline. You can link it. Click on settings. Here you can change the top margin, top gap. Then change the font family, font size, font color. So these are the similar things that you can do for the headline.